Students, our next topic is electric dipole. An electric dipole consists of a pair of equal and opposite point charges separated by a small distance. For example, in this figure, two charges, two equal and opposite charges. One is minus q, other is plus q. They are equal in magnitude. Q, both are equal in magnitude q, and they are opposite in sign. In this figure, two charges minus q and plus q, they are separated by a small distance 2a. This represents an electric dipole. This length 2a is called dipole length, and dipole length is a vector whose direction is from negative charge towards positive charge. An electric dipole consists of a pair of equal and opposite point charges separated by a small distance. For example, in this figure, two equal and opposite charges minus q and plus q, they are separated by a small distance 2a. This represents an electric dipole. Here 2a is called dipole length, which is a vector whose direction is from negative charge towards positive charge. Now the center of line joining charges plus q and minus q, the center of line joining the two charges, this is called center of dipole. The middle point of line joining two charges is called center of dipole, which is represented by O. Now the total charge on electric dipole is 0, but electric field due to electric dipole is not 0. Examples of electric dipole are molecules of water, alcohol, carbon dioxide, hydrogen chloride, etc. These are the examples of electric dipoles. The molecules of water, alcohol, carbon dioxide, molecule of hydrogen chloride, HCl, they are electric dipoles because in them the center of negative charge and the center of positive charge, they are separated by a small distance. For example, let us take H2O molecule, in which there are two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Here dots represent the nuclei. Now the dipole moment of H2O, this is from negative side to positive side. Negative side is oxygen and positive side is hydrogen. This represents the dipole moment. Dipole moment of H2O points from negative side towards positive side. Now dipole moment. Dipole moment of an electric dipole is measure of strength of electric dipole. Dipole moment of an electric dipole is a measure of strength of electric dipole. Dipole moment is a vector quantity. Dipole moment is a vector quantity whose magnitude, dipole moment is a vector quantity whose magnitude is equal to product of magnitude of either charge and the distance separating them. Dipole moment of an electric dipole is a measure of strength of electric dipole. It is a vector quantity whose magnitude is equal to product of magnitude of either charge and the distance separating them, or we can write P vector is equal to Q into 2A vector. Now the unit of dipole moment is, unit of charge is coulomb, unit of distance is meter, coulomb meter. When the charge Q gets larger and distance 2A gets smaller and smaller, keeping the product P is equal to Q into 2A is equal to constant, then what we get is called an ideal dipole. Ideal dipole is a dipole, smallest dipole having almost no sides. Now physical significance. Physical significance of electric dipoles. The study of electric dipoles is important for study of electrical phenomena in the matter. We know that matter is made up of atoms or molecules. In a molecule, matter is made up of atoms or molecules which are neutral. In a molecule, there are positively charged nuclei and negatively charged electrons. Positively charged nuclei and negatively charged electrons. If center of mass of positive charge coincides with the center of mass of negative charge, then the molecule behave like a non-polar. The molecule behave like non-polar molecule having zero dipole moment. But if center of mass of positive charge, this is separated from a center of mass of negative charge by a small distance, then molecule behave like a polar molecule having some dipole moment. In the absence of electric field, the dipole moment of polar molecules, dipole moment is from negative charge towards positive charge. P is equal to Q into 2A. Direction of dipole moment is from negative charge towards positive charge. In the absence of electric field, the dipole moments of polar molecules, they are oriented randomly. Therefore, net dipole moment of the piece of matter is zero. Net dipole moment of piece of matter or piece of material is zero. When an external electric field is applied, then these dipoles are oriented in the direction of field. Therefore, a net dipole moment is induced and the piece of matter is said to be polarized. When a non-polar molecule is subjected to an external electric field, then the center of mass of positive and negative charges, they are separated by a small distance. Therefore, a induced dipole moment is produced in each molecule in the direction of external field. Now these induced dipole moments of different molecules, they add up vectorially to give some net dipole moment in the piece of matter. Let us once again understand this. Matter is made up of atoms or molecules which are electrically neutral. In every molecule there are positively charged nuclei and negatively charged electrons. If center of mass of positive charge coincide with center of mass of negative charge, then molecule behave like a non-polar molecule having zero dipole moment. But if center of mass of positive charge do not coincide with the center of mass of negative charge, then molecule is called polar molecule having some intrinsic or permanent dipole moment. When there is no external electric field, these dipoles are oriented randomly in a piece of matter, so that net dipole moment over the piece of matter is zero. But when external electric field is applied, then these dipole moments are oriented in the direction of field. Therefore, a net dipole moment is induced in the material in the direction of field when external field is applied. Now, non-polar molecule, in a non-polar molecule, center of mass of positive charge and center of mass of negative charge, they coincide. Therefore, in the absence of external electric field, the dipole moment of non-polar molecule is zero. When an external electric field is applied, the center of mass of negative charge and positive charge, they get separated by a small distance. Therefore, a dipole moment is induced in a molecule. Now the induced dipole moment of different molecules, they add vectorially to give some net dipole moment in the material.